Freedom moves forward, and with it comes the all-new Toyota Northstar E, the next evolution in wheelchair-accessible design. Come inside and experience a spacious interior crafted for comfort, movement, and versatility. Truly your space, your way. The manual in-floor ramp operates effortlessly and stows neatly beneath the center floor, delivering a quiet, rattle-free ride. Thoughtfully placed secure tie-downs and standard securement rails ensure every ride begins with confidence and peace of mind. And when you need flexibility, the removable front passenger seat lets you ride up front or shift to the center position with ease. Inside, 360-degree accessibility gives you the freedom to turn, move, and position yourself exactly where you want to be. Sit where it suits you, front or mid. The choice is always yours. Secure your chair, stow your ramp, and in just moments, you're ready to drive. And with all-wheel drive capability, the Toyota Northstar E keeps you moving through every season, every road, every journey. All with exceptional value in an affordable price. The Toyota Northstar E lets you go farther without stretching your budget. Dependable, efficient, and built to last, it's the smart choice for every journey ahead. Speak with a specialist and experience what accessibility redefined truly feels like.